hard, like walking outside the windiest day of the month, looking back at people who would rather have you by their side, not understanding why you left. The feeling of going against people you love's will, it's worse, like walking outside through a bad storm, looking back at those you love, longing to be there with them, not understanding where you're going. The feeling of going against your own will, it's truly bad, like walking outside through hurricanes and tornadoes, looking back at all you want, aching with all your heart for it, not understanding what you'll find. That feeling when you're on the other side of the hurricane, when you can see the way in front of you, not stuck in the past. That feeling when you're finally able to just let go.